Let's interpret what this actually means for our industries and the economy. Lower tariffs mean Indian exporters are now more competitive again, especially in textiles, garments, and engineered goods. Reduced punitive duties signal a return to cooperation over confrontation in our geopolitical relationship. Indian markets responded positively. The Nifty 50 index and rupee strengthened immediately on news of the deal. This gives Indian producers price and margin advantages over competitors like China, Bangladesh, and Vietnam. This tariff reset reopens the US market, which is one of India's largest export destinations. A big question has always been, will agriculture, dairy, or sensitive products be affected? Indian leaders have emphasized that key agricultural and rural interests, including dairy and farm sectors, will be protected. India is conscious of balancing economic growth with domestic farmer interests. This is a crucial policy stance. In return, the agreement opens pathways for increased US agricultural and industrial exports to India, like machinery and oil. So, what comes next? This reduction can restore confidence for Indian exporters across many sectors. It especially helps MSMEs and traditional sectors regain their footing in the global market. It may boost foreign investment as US companies see India as a more favorable trade partner. Domestic markets, including textiles, engineering goods, and IT services, gain renewed visibility for US demand. However, experts also warn that the deal's terms are still being finalized and may take time to implement fully. So, businesses must prepare strategically, not just celebrate. There is work yet to be done. This moment represents a transition from tariff tensions to tariff diplomacy. Those who anticipate the changes early will benefit. The foundation is laid for a more comprehensive trade agreement in the future. This trade deal isn't just numbers on paper, it's a barometer for India's economic competitiveness. It reflects our strategic partnerships in a changing global landscape. If this video gave you clarity and insight, make sure to like, share, and subscribe so you stay informed. Tell us in the comments which sector will benefit the most from this tariff reduction. Your thought matters. Namaskar and thank you for watching. Stay tuned to KSP Knowledge Hub for more insights